I am Anupama Narayanpur. Today I will be taking the topic computer networking. This is my presentation. So here we will see one by one. So what is basically computer network? It can be defined as it's a collection of interconnected autonomous computers in order to share the data and other resources. You can see here many desktops are connected as well as scanner printers are connected to a single hub here, and then you can also share the resources among each other. Next, why we need the network? So network we require to share the information. Share the information in the sense we may also like share the database. Once it is connected to the database, we can share the database, and audio video files we want to send it across, and printers we want to share, scanners, all these devices can be shared. So basically hardware and softwares can be shared through the network. And then improved communication, so it enables us fast, reliable and secure communication, as like we have email, SMS, MMS and video call, all the things we have where we can connect a within a single network. Then reduce communication cost, so wherever the people may be, so with the help of a network we can get connected to them with a very low cost, just because we are using internet and mobile network, and we can also send all these things, sending, receiving text, image, audio, video, everything we can send within a low cost. And then next, applications of network. So as we have seen, resource sharing can be hardware and software. Hardware, if like computing resources, disks and printers. Software, all the application softwares we are sharing. Information sharing is easy accessibility from anywhere. So I can access any file which is located somewhere. So I can easily able to access the files or the database. Search capability. So through the help of World Wide Web, I can also search any information whatever I want to have. Communication, we have so many things to get connected to each other, like email, SMS, video call. All these are the variety of communication we will get from the network. Next, what are the advantages? So advantages is we can share the resources and we can share the data. Softwares can be installed on server, and it can be used other systems. So only one copy main license software can be installed, and others wherever other systems which are connected you can use from the server, and that's why it saves the cost also. Then it can communicate with each other via email or chatting. Disadvantage: since the network require the connection to be established, we need to have a setup. So maybe wired or wireless, wherever it is the devices to be connected. So that is a bit expensive. And then unsecure also. Unsecure in the sense whenever I connect any network, so there will be various devices trying to access the data, and also they will be trying to send some data. If at all it contains any kind of virus or anything, then obviously we will be in the trouble. Complex and sophisticated run. So since it's a network, so we need a person like administrator who can know the about network very well and run it in a proper way. And rapid spread of computer virus. Since the system is open to the network, so any way the virus can enter into the system, depending upon the main file server. Suppose if there is a server called file server where all the details will be stored here, and you want to access here. Suppose if the server goes down, then you won't be able to get the access to server. These are the advantages and disadvantages of a network. Next, we will see what are the components of a network. See here we have sender, receiver, message and medium and protocol. So we have sender. Sender is nothing but a device or a node which sends the data on the network. Receiver, a device or network that can receive the data. So these are the two things which communicate to each other in a network. So through what they communicate? They communicate using messages. So messages can be any kind of format like text, image or audio or video. So how these will pass through? These will pass through something called medium. A transmission medium is a physical path through which the data will be flown from sender to receiver. So if it is a wired connection, it may be a wire or any wire kind of cable or a wire. And if it is a wireless connection, then radio wave can be a medium. So in order to send the information between sender and receiver, we have certain set of rules. Those rules are nothing but the protocols. Here there are protocols which a communication method is to be followed. So overall internet follows a protocol called as TCP/IP. TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and IP stands for Internet Protocol. This is about a small introduction to network. Thank you.